Today we're going to go ahead and do an overview of the Coinbase wallet, where you can go ahead and connect with MKG Enterprises Corp by downloading the Coinbase Wallet. This is something that we've been offering for a few years now, where you can buy, sell, you can buy and send token MKG Enterprises Corp. Or if you also want to get exposure to crypto assets, you can also connect this with your Coinbase account, and you can buy and sell other crypto assets outside of your Coinbase wallet. This is also available in our mobile app, in our crypto wallet 2.0. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and give it a brief overview of what this consists of. And so basically, we're going through this app here, and as you can see, you have the MKG Enterprises Corp tokens, where you can send it. If you had some tokens of MKG Enterprises Corp, where you can actually buy those through our mobile app. And if you wanted to buy 1,000 tokens or send 1,000 tokens, this can be exchanged. You will accept our tokens for any kind of forms of payment and services that you might need from us. So it's actually, like kind of a, rewarded token here for those individuals. You can send them, we can send the max, but depending on, if you, can get these tokens here, a little bit more, about, MKG. Once again, this is inside of the Coinbase wallet. We're offering our tokens here. And so, if you want to send, receive Ethereum wallet, our token address, and so basically, this is something here that, I don't think there's any other tax companies offering, their own crypto token, especially a crypto token that you can receive and also send it to other family and friends. And so if you refer someone, you can get, crypto tokens in exchange, and you can actually redeem those, crypto tokens for any one of our products and services that might be useful to you. Or you can actually, if you're into DeFi, you can also go on to and swap those tokens here, and so basically, that's basically a high level overview, about, what our crypto tokens is capable of. And so, if we went into, more of a DeFi, DeFi here, you can actually go to Uniswap. And so if you went to Uniswap, you can actually exchange these tokens, MKG Enterprises Corp tokens. We do have it paired with USDC, which is a stable coin. And so, there's also an Ethereum pair. And so that's what the big, release is right now about our crypto wallet. Gives you the ability to get a crypto exposure, as well as buy our MKG Enterprises Corp crypto token using the Coinbase wallet. You can receive it and you can send it, but you'd have to buy it through our mobile app, and you can just download that in Google Play or in the iPhone store. Oh, and one other thing is that you can also send messages to anyone in the community by having, this, crypto wallet as well, which is very good, where you can send secure messages and chat, which is almost like a WhatsApp, which is encrypted based on the blockchain.